Hello students, this is the second video for this unit. We are reading unit 3 of EVS standard 4th and I shall be explaining to you the second page of the unit. When they reached the jungle, the members of the herd started spreading out. Now, when they reached the jungle and the members of the herd started spreading out. Now, spreading out means they started to go into different directions. Each member went to eat her favorite leaves and twigs. Now, twigs are small branches of a tree. So, they all went to different directions and they started finding their favorite leaves and twigs to eat. After they had eaten, the herd moved towards the river. Now, once they had eaten, they all started moving towards the river. The baby elephants enjoyed playing in the water. Now, in the beginning of this lesson, they told that the day was hot. Now, if the day is hot, what is the best thing that you like to enjoy playing in? Water. Yes. So, the baby elephant enjoyed playing in the water. The mother lay down in the water and mud on the river bank. Now, the place around the river is known as a river bank. Now, the mother lay down in the water and mud on the river bank. Now, here you can see the picture of the herd of elephant, how they are walking in the water and cooling themselves down. Do you know that an adult elephant can eat more than 100 kilograms of leaves and twigs in one day? Now, did you know that an adult elephant means a grown-up elephant eats 100 kilograms of leaves and twigs in one day. That is way a lot of food an elephant requires to have each day. Elephants do not rest very much. So, they keep walking and moving around. They do not rest much. They sleep for only 2 to 4 hours in a day. So, how many hours of sleep do we need in a day? Yes, we need 7 to 8 hours of sleep. And how many hours of sleep do elephants need? 2 to 4 hours of sleep. That is way less than us. They sleep very little. Elephants love to play with mud and water. Now, as you have seen in this picture, elephants love to play in mud and water. The mud keeps their skin cool. So, why do they love to play in mud and water? Because it keeps their skin cool. Their big ears also work like fan. They have big ears which work like fan to keep their body cool. The elephants flap these to keep themselves cool. Elephants flap their ears to keep their body cool. Now here are two questions given below. Nandu is only 3 months old, but he weighs 200 kilograms. What is your weight? Now Nandu is weighing 200 kilograms. And what is your weight? Your weight might be 20, 24, 25. According to your age, your weight would be that. So you can write the answer over here down in your textbook that my weight is so and so kg, 24 kg, 25 kg, 20 kg, whatever your weight is, you have to write your weight in your textbook. Please write in your textbook in nice handwriting. The next question is, can you find out the weight of how many children like you will add up to Nandu's weight? Now, here this question is like, if you are suppose 20 kg, so 25 kg, okay, so how many more children of your weight will you require to be as equal as the weight of Nandu? So 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25, if your weight is 25, then you have to add it 8 times. That means you will need 8 children. So your answer will be 8 children of my weight will add up to Nandu's weight. If your weight is 20, then 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20, you will need 10 children. So your answer will be 10 children of my weight will add up to Nandu's weight. Okay. So this here your second page ends. We shall read the next page in our next video. Thank you.